Hello, my name is Mohammed. It is time for Researcher Jukan. In this program, we introduce the researchers all over the university. Today, our researcher is Dr. Yahya Khondokar from Bangladesh Agricultural University. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, let's start the interview. First of all, could you tell me what kind of research do you mainly focus on?
Actually, my research interest on the field of reproductive biotechnology, and I am conducting research in two main headings. Number one, conservation of animal genetic resources, and number two, culture of mammalian eggs.
Why do you focus on the research?
In our country, a lot of animal genetic resources are available. But nowadays, due to social and economic constraint, a lot of animal genetic resources tends to be extinct. And a lot of techniques are available in our hand, but my research interest is in two areas. Number one, adaptation of artificial insemination throughout the country. And number two, in vitro culture of mammalian eggs. By these two techniques, obviously, we can conserve our animal genetic resources in our context.
How do you carry out the research?
As I informed you previously that I have two research areas. And for conducting these two research areas, I must have to perform two types of technique. For first experiment, I am producing a nucleus herd in our university campus. And in this nucleus herd, we are maintaining the breeding bug, collecting the semen from the breeding bug, evaluating the semen, and producing the frozen semen. By using this frozen semen, we are performing artificial insemination in the nucleus herd at our university campus, as well as in farmers level in the village.
What is your motivation towards the research?
I would like to motivate our farmer to conserve their potential animal genetic resources in our context. As I told you previously that our black Bengal goat is a potential genetic resources. Their prolificity is very high, their adaptability is very nice, and their litter size at least on an average 2, and their feeding interval only 6 months. That is why we called our black Bengal goat is the poor man's cow. That black Bengal goat can maintain our farmers' women or the baby of the farmers. That is why we would like to conserve this black Bengal goat by introducing the artificial insemination. It will help them to maintain the genetic potentiality of this black Bengal goat. That is the main motivation of my research target.
Very nice. What kind of resources can you give to other researchers?
For any type of researcher, actually, to produce the good quality patent is the main target. That is also my target. I am trying my best to produce the frozen semen in economic way. I am trying my best to produce the in vitro produce embryo economic way. We are trying our best to search out the suitable condition and suitable culture media for embryo as well.
Could you tell me more about this?
Yes. For performing the first experiment, we are maintaining the bug. We are collecting the semen 2 times every week. We are producing frozen semen by using this semen, and we are using this frozen semen in the farmers level. On the other hand, we are producing the to produce embryo in our laboratory. To produce this embryo, obviously we have to search out the economic way. That is why we are trying our best to find out the suitable cultural media in our context.
Okay. Is there any other resources you can give?
Yes, for developing any country, we need the trained manpower. As I am working in a university, every year we are producing graduates, students from our laboratory. Those students will be work in private or government organization, and they will take the responsibility to conduct research near future. Obviously, that will be help our farmers as well as our country.
Is that all of your resources?
No, in our university campus, I had established two reproductive biotechnology laboratories, and I might not present near future, but the university can utilize those facilities and can continue those type of research in our university. That is why our university also get some help from these research activities.
What kind of research are you going to plan in the future?
To get the real result, I would like to continue my present research for next 5 to 10 years. As because to get the optimum result, I must have to repeat this experiment several times.
That's interesting. Could you explain it more about this?
Yes, I can explain it more. To get the optimum result, I must have to conduct the first experiment in several times, repeat and repeat. As because without trial and error test, if I give the information to the farmers level, it might be not get the optimum result. For second experiment, when I will able to produce the suitable culture condition, I must have to repeat it several times. After repetition, then I may produce the specific patent for our farmers and the other researchers.
What makes you to do the research?
Yes, this type of research will give me the potentiality more and more, as well as my student. As a result, we can get the leadership in our country to conduct such type of research.
What will happen if you complete the research in the future?
Yes, if I can complete this research successfully, obviously, in one sense, I will be get more confidence. My student will be get more confidence, and they will be take the responsibility to conduct such type of research. Thus, research might not help directly, but it will be help indirectly to our farmers and our country as well.
Okay, very nice. What kind of resources do you want to take from other researchers?
Yes, for a researchers, we must have to share the ideas and views first. Moreover, Bangladesh is a developing country. We have limitation for research fund. So I am trying my best to find out more and more research fund from abroad.
Let me focus a little more about this.
Yes, actually Bangladesh is a developing country. Our country cannot afford a lot of fund to conduct the research, as well as our university cannot give us more fund to conduct such type of sophisticated research. Obviously, we must have to find out the research fund from different donor organizations. That is why I am searching some donor organization to conduct this research near future.
Is there any other resources you need?
I need not more resources. Actually, I need the research fund for next 5 to 10 years.
Okay, it is time to finish. Today's researcher was Dr. Yahya Khandekar. Thank you very much again. See you next time.
Thank you very much.
Bye.